Today's video, Alright, just finished editing the video. It's actually been done for multiple days. I just never made an intro for some reason. And, yeah, sorry my fingers are red. Guilty for eating Takis. Hot fries are better. Anyways, in today's video, we went fishing, caught a couple of good solid bass for the season, and it's a really good spot. I'm definitely going to go back and make a lot more videos there, so stay subscribed, or subscribe if you haven't already if you want to see those future fishing videos, because this spot produced, as you can see by watching the rest of this video, so I'll get you guys to it. It's time to get this bread back at it again. Here, let me tilt the camera upwards a little bit. I think you guys have a better view now. Great. Hit some golfers. That's always a good sign. Oh, something just tried to eat it. Oh my God, first cast. You think we'll get something? Dope. Okay, it's just really shallow there. Okay, not a good spot. Well, anyways, I just found the spot yesterday. I didn't bring my GoPro or anything because I wasn't expecting much. But turns out it's a pretty fire spot. I actually broke off on a giant bass, a big old bass. Kind of upset about it, but it's all good because we're gonna spend like 2 hours today fishing. And I don't have any extra GoPro batteries, so if this thing dies, it dies, and that's the deal. But let's cast right next to that flow. Perfect. Right next to that flow. Right next to that fountain right there. I got a Big Easy Gambler swim bait on. It's like a white shatter. I don't know. You can see its action in the water. Ooh. It looks so realistic. It's really good. Really good swim bait. Love the way it swims. After like 5 minutes of this, I'll turn off the GoPro and I'll catch you guys when I actually do hook up on a fish. But right now I'm going to mess around with this. Oh, I just spooked a fish right there. It must have been a tilapia or something, because I was seeing tilapia up on the bank. Really pretty. They have like these bright blue colors. I've never seen tilapia that colorful before. But ooh. I have these plants in my you could get these for your fish tank. Right now I'm just kind of scouting the bank for different fish, but nothing yet. I'll catch you guys when I do hook up. Just checking in again. I actually just hooked up on this plant here, which is actually, ooh, the water is cold, which is actually a rougher version of a plant that you could buy for your fish tanks. I used to have this, but it was a lot softer than, this is pretty rough, but I used to have these in my tank, got rid of them. Really good plant, really cool looking, but I have unlimited supply if I ever want any, which is pretty cool, but I'm gonna toss that back in there. Awesome, hope it lives. All right, I'll get you guys when I catch fish. Whew. Good fish. I'm on a fish right now. Ooh. Hey, buddy. Hey, easy, easy, easy. Easy, bud. Oh, look at him pull drag. All right, let's bring him in. Get up here. Oh, you really got yourself caught up in the weeds, huh? Flip. Oh, this guy's a chunker. Look at the size of this fish. Wow, this guy's an absolute chunk. Decent sized fish. Let's get the release. Wow, nice fish, huh? Okay, I'm on the 5th fish of the day. Sorry, I'm talking to my GoPro. Ooh, it's kind of decent. Oh, buddy. Hey, did I just catch you? Didn't I just get you, bud? Here, let's give you a good flip. Don't break my rod, don't break my rod, don't break my rod. Okay, bro, chill. Bro, chill. Dude, this dude doesn't stop flopping. Bro, if you don't stop flopping, I can't get you off the hook. And that's just facts. Oh my god, this dude is so extra. Ow, I'm like hand lining it right now.
Hopefully I don't get ran over.
Are you crossing right now?
No.
Giant fish. Wow. Look at this spot we're at. It is a giant, mega huge golf course, and it is so dope. Alright, sorry about the really bad lighting, but today was such a good day fishing. I caught like 4 5-pounders, if you guys saw the video. And I'm definitely going to be coming back in a few days actually, and I'll record another video. But yeah, it was a really good spot. I won't tell you where it is though, so don't even bother dropping in the comments. But speaking of comments, drop a good comment, positive comment down there, and hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video, because I have many more to come. And drop a like if you enjoyed, because that's what it's for. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out, stay wavy. My hands smell great.